Do you really care about your freeform dreads? Are you the chopping machine, or shall I say, the smooth operator with the ladies with your freeform dreads? Are you really trying to keep your freeforms intact for as long as you rock your freeform style? If you said yes to any of the following questions, this video is not for you. This is the wrong video. No, I'm just playing with y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all 3 things to be careful with while having freeform dreads. So let's get to this video.
I'm about to bomb this master hill.
And it ain't nothing new. On the graph of the loop. And I hang with the mob. You criminal smooth. I gave you my heart. Can you tell me the truth? But you better think smart. Cause you know what we do. Yeah, they know how we move, right? Yeah, they stick better move, right? We still packing them tools, right? Niggas be what's in the mood.
What's happening, OVERTWIST squad? It's your boy OhhItsRon back here with another one. You know what I'm saying? What's happening to the OVERTWIST squad? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Before we get started, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't, bro, go check out my last monkey video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. You dig? You know what I'm saying? That's a banger. You know what I'm saying? More videos coming this soon. You feel me? Because I'm on summer break, so I'm about to be on my summer grind. You know what I'm saying? So if you haven't already, even if you subscribed or not, bro, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. But if you already subscribed and you haven't hit that bell, bro, hit that bell, bro, because 3 videos a week is about to be dropping this summer, bro. This summer break, while I'm on summer break, I'm about to be dropping 3 videos a week, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that bell, you feel me? Like this video because I'm about to tell y'all 3 things you need to be careful with while having freeform dread, you know what I'm saying? So enough talking, bro. We about to get straight into this video, you know what I'm saying? So just let's just get to it, you know what I'm saying? Straight to it, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. Woo! Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, before I start. For some of y'all probably looking at my hair like, bro, you don't even got freeform dreads, you know what I'm saying? But for all the people who've been rocking with me long enough, y'all already know I have freeform dreads, you know what I'm saying? I had freeform dreads for 2 years and then I took them out and now I got this, you know what I'm saying? Just letting y'all know, you know what I'm saying? I did have freeform dreads, so don't even, you know what I'm saying? I know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? These 3 things won't be in order, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying 3 things you need to be careful with that I wish I did when I had my freeform dreads, you know what I'm saying? Because these 3 things I wasn't careful with and I ended up taking them out because I messed up, you know what I'm saying? Number 1, be careful twisting your hair. Now some of y'all probably like,
Ron, bro, what do you mean be careful with twisting your hair? Like, what?
Look, when I have my freeform dreads, I know what I'm saying. Twisting your hair is a habit. It's a freeform. That's like, that help you get freeform. You gotta twist your hair. But look, when you twisting your hair, don't over twist it, basically what I'm saying. Like, when I have my dreads in the front, they all used to be the same length hanging down. My hair's supposed to hang down here, but anyways, when I had the dreads, I would like over twist it when I be in class. I just keep twisting it and it'll start to break off. Like a little part of the dread will break off, and that's basically what happened to like the whole front of my dreads in the front. They were shorter than the sides because I would twist it and then the hair would break off and it'll like fall out basically. So be careful and don't over twist your hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm not telling y'all not to twist your hair because, you know what I'm saying, that helps. That's what you're supposed to do. But just be careful. Don't over twist it, you know what I'm saying? Because if you twist it too much, you will lose hair, you know what I'm saying? It will fall out and you'll end up messing up your freeform dreads. So I just want to tell y'all, be careful with that, you know what I'm saying? Don't make the same mistake I did. I'll say you can twist it, but just don't like over twist it. Don't twist it hard and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because it will fall out, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all be careful with that. Number 2, be careful on how much you wash your hair, you feel me? Now y'all shouldn't be washing y'all hair. Now I'm not saying don't wash your hair like, you know what I'm saying, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, once a month. That's nasty, you know what I'm saying? Don't be like that, you know what I'm saying? I'll recommend washing your hair. If your hair is locked, like you know it's locked, I'll say wash your hair every other week or every other week and a half. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, your hair will grow because with you putting in moisturizer and products and stuff, it like build up. So I'm telling you, if you wash your hair every other week or every other week and a half, I'm telling you, your freeforms will grow. You know what I'm saying? When I had my freeform, I first started, I only washed my hair like once every 2 months, bruh. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yes, that's disgusting, you know what I'm saying? After a while, I started washing my hair twice a month, so every other week, you know what I'm saying? That'll get your hair to start growing, you feel me? So make sure y'all washing your hair, bro. Be careful not to wash it too much or too less, you know what I'm saying? I say if it's locked, wash it every other week, you know what I'm saying? I got freeform videos, link in the description. Y'all can go check out my other video. I got a playlist. I dropped a video on how to lock up freeform dreads fast. I'm gonna put it in the description, and I guess I'll put it on the screen too. That video, it shows you how to lock up your freeform dreads fast, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go check that out if you want to lock up your stuff, your hair, your freeforms. So let's move on to the next one. Number 3, the final thing. Be careful what you tie your hair up with. Now, some of y'all don't have to worry about this, you know what I'm saying? This is something I'm telling y'all from my experience. When I used to tie my hair up with, these rubber bands. What is you doing tying your hair up with rubber bands? Look, that's because I didn't know any better, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know about the little scrunchies. I didn't have none either. I didn't think about buying them, so make sure y'all tying your hair up with right stuff. Let me show y'all what y'all supposed to tie your hair with. These is safe, and these is what y'all should tie your hair up with, you know what I'm saying? This is what I use now because I got some, and I know about it now. I didn't know about it back then when I had freeform. Because you use rubber bands and you take them out, after you take out the style, it pull out your hair, you know what I'm saying? The hair get wrapped around a rubber band and it pull out your hair. Now you don't want that, you know what I'm saying? That messed up my freeform for real. And I lost a little shrinkage, you know what I'm saying? But right now, my hair is actually way longer. It's supposed to be hanging down here, but I got 4C hair. So for those of y'all who got 4C, y'all know the struggle, you know what I'm saying? You gotta deal with shrinkage, you know what I'm saying? So really, my twist supposed to be hanging down here real low, but that's besides the point, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all using these, you know what I'm saying? These called Ponytail Elastics. These will tie your hair up and they won't really pull your hair out. They don't pull your hair out if you do it right, you know what I'm saying? Because if rubber bands will pull your hair out and you do not want that. If you want to grow your freeform dreads, be careful what you tie your hair up with, you know what I'm saying?
I'm riding with the gang. I be riding with them AKs. Side buzzing, boy, they how about busting.
Alright y'all, that's the end of the video, you know what I'm saying? Just a quick little video to teach y'all, tell y'all about what y'all need to be careful with, you know what I'm saying? When I had freeform dreads, I didn't really know about it, so that's why my freeform dreads, they got messed up, and that's why I took them out, you know what I'm saying? I didn't like how it turned out because I didn't be careful, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all be careful and listen to the three things that I just taught y'all, you know what I'm saying? If y'all listen to the 3 things, I promise y'all freeforms will last long and they is gonna grow long, you dig what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like this video if y'all enjoyed it. Y'all didn't know any of these 3 things, make sure y'all like this video, you know what I'm saying? I'm just telling y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to look out for y'all, you feel me? I'm trying to make sure y'all freeform dreads are better than mine, you know what I'm saying?
You got what I need!
Make sure y'all subscribe, turn on the bell because I'm telling y'all uploads is about to be dropping crazy, so you need to turn on that bell, you feel me? And that's the end of the video, you know what I'm saying? So it's your boy OhhItsRon signing out.